Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Have you ever received your salary and felt excited for a few days, only to realize later that your bank balance is almost empty? At the beginning of the month, everything feels comfortable. You order food, shop online, go out with friends, and enjoy life. But before the month ends, you start checking your account balance again and again. Many people think they have an income problem, but in reality, they often have a money management problem. The truth is that money usually disappears through small daily expenses that seem harmless at the moment. A coffee here, a food delivery there, a quick online purchase, and suddenly a large part of your salary is gone. The biggest mistake most people make is spending first and saving later. Unfortunately, saving rarely happens that way. When we wait until the end of the month to save, there is usually very little left. Successful people follow a different rule. They save first and spend what remains. This simple change can completely transform your financial life. Every time your salary arrives, a portion should immediately move to savings and investments before you start spending. This habit creates financial discipline without making life difficult. Another hidden reason people lose money is lifestyle spending. Convenience has become expensive. Food delivery apps, ride-sharing services, online shopping platforms, and subscription services make spending easier than ever. Many people don't even realize how much money leaves their account every week. Social pressure also plays a major role. Sometimes we spend money to impress others, attend expensive gatherings, buy branded products, or keep up with friends. These expenses may feel small individually, but together they create a serious financial leak that prevents wealth creation. A simple solution is to divide your money into separate purposes. Keep one account for receiving your salary, another for emergency savings, another for investments, and one for daily expenses. When money has a specific destination, it becomes much easier to control. Your emergency fund should be your first priority. Life is unpredictable. Medical emergencies, job changes, family needs, or unexpected repairs can happen at any time. Having several months of expenses saved can protect you from stress and debt. Building wealth also requires consistent investing. Many people wait for the perfect time to invest, but the perfect time rarely arrives. Even small monthly investments can grow significantly over the years through the power of compounding. The earlier you start, the greater the results. Whether you choose mutual funds, index funds, or other investment options, consistency matters more than trying to predict the market. Wealth is usually built through patience, not luck. If you are a freelancer or business owner with irregular income, the strategy is slightly different. During high-income months, save extra money instead of increasing your lifestyle. Create a buffer fund that can support you during slower months. This helps maintain financial stability and reduces stress when income fluctuates. People with irregular income often face financial challenges not because they earn less, but because they fail to prepare for income variations. A useful monthly routine can make a huge difference. During the first few days after receiving your salary, move money to savings and investments. During the middle of the month, review your expenses and make adjustments if necessary. Near the end of the month, plan for upcoming expenses, festivals, travel, family events, and major purchases. Planning ahead prevents unnecessary debt and keeps your finances under control. Financial freedom is not about earning millions overnight. It is about creating a system that works automatically. When your money has a purpose, your savings grow consistently, and your investments work for your future, financial stress starts to disappear. Remember, earning money is a skill, saving money is a habit, and growing money is a long-term process. Master these three areas, and your financial future can completely change. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more finance, money management, saving tips, investing strategies, financial freedom, budgeting advice, passive income, wealth building, and personal finance content.